Today we're looking at the EHang VT35, a new two-seat autonomous aircraft built for long-range air travel between cities. Its goal is simple: make fast, quiet, zero-emission trips possible within a one-hour range of major metro areas. The VT35 uses a tandem wing layout with 8 lift propellers for takeoff and landing. Once in the air, a single pusher propeller takes over for smooth, efficient cruise flight. This setup lets the aircraft cover about 200 kilometers on one charge with a flight time of roughly 1 hour. It carries up to 200 kilos, cruises at more than 216 kilometers per hour, and needs no pilot on board. Its autonomous systems use multiple sensors to avoid obstacles and stay stable during every phase of flight. A ground team can supervise each mission remotely. The VT-35 fits into existing EHang vertiports and can also operate from rooftops, parks, or parking areas. Its electric power system keeps noise low and emissions at zero. EHang introduced the aircraft in 2025 and is now working through China's certification process. Production and early operations are being set up in Hefei, with plans to use the VT-35 for regional travel in the near future.